subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to a new video on Tech with Amogha channel. Today we are going to see that how to use Facebook on your Android TV of any company. And last video was on Instagram, how to use Instagram in Android TV. If you are not seen, go and see and come first. Okay, one thing to say in every video: like, share, subscribe, comment for more videos. We'll start. There are so many browsers. You can use Google also, but I am using browser. It is also a type of Google only. Search for Facebook. See, Facebook is here. So you can see your link. First you should click on that. See, you can see login page has came. If you have Facebook account, you can click on already have an account. If you not have, sign up. You will see after sign in. You can see I logged in. Wait for a while. You will get a code. You can see that in Android TV I am using Facebook. Thank you for watching. Share, like, subscribe. See you in new topic, next video, new video. Tata, bye bye.